Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pop-ups in a website. Pop-ups are powerful tools designed to grab your visitors' attention and guide them towards a specific action. They can appear in many forms, like a small box in the corner or a full-screen overlay. We'll explore how these versatile elements can significantly boost your website's engagement and conversion rates, helping you achieve your marketing objectives effectively and efficiently. Before diving into design, strategic planning is crucial for pop-up success. First, pinpoint your objective. Are you collecting emails, promoting a sale, or offering a discount? Next, understand your audience to create relevant and engaging content. A well-defined goal and targeted message can increase conversion rates by as much as 300%, ensuring your pop-up resonates with visitors and drives desired outcomes. Now, let's get into the practical steps of designing and building your pop-up. You can use a dedicated pop-up builder for ease or custom code for complete flexibility. Focus on a clean, attractive design that matches your brand's aesthetic. Implement smart triggers, such as appearing after a visitor scrolls 50% down the page or when they show exit intent, to maximize impact without being intrusive. To ensure your pop-ups are truly effective, continuous optimization is key. Regularly, /B test elements like headlines, images, and calls to action to discover what resonates best with your audience. Limit display frequency to prevent visitor fatigue. Perhaps show it only once every 7 days. Always prioritize mobile responsiveness, as over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.